So it's kind of sloppy Joe cheesesteak sandwich. This is beef. It's not like hamburger meat. It's more like less finely chopped, whatever you call that. So cheesesteak, chopped cheese, sloppy Joe. I don't know. What do you think? It's not a full pound. I'm just using what I got left before it goes bad, you know. Been in the fridge a couple days, want to get rid of it before it actually goes bad. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Chopped cheese. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. We'll figure that out later. Word. So this consists of some ketchup, mustard, onions, a bunch of spices like garlic, Lawry's garlic salt, and some paprika, smoked paprika, and some barbecue rub. This stuff right here. So it's just like a wing it night. Chopped cheese, whatever you want to call it. I got a roll over here, thawing out, was in the freezer. So, here we go. So I've been letting it simmer. I put a cup of water in there, maybe a little less, and some cheese. So, I don't know, chopped cheese, cheesesteak, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. I'm about to put this on a roll. Just want to give you a last look before I do. Stirred it up. That's what it looks like, all stirred up. There's cheese in there, so it's all kind of thick, you know. Alright, let's load it up. And there we go. Chopped cheese, cheesesteak, sloppy Joe, I don't know. One of those, or all three, I don't know. Whatever, it's food. Why do we gotta name everything, you know? Some good food. Yeah. Yeah. Fucking delicious. Alright, thanks you guys for coming back. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell me what kind of food videos you would like to see out of this channel in the future. And go ahead and click on this next video that YouTube suggests. Alright guys, thanks. Peace.